It is 3:15 in the morning. A massive explosion wakes you up. But this war is not about religion. It is not about freedom. It is about the black liquid deep under the ground, oil. Every missile, every strike is a fight for the pipes that keep the world's economy alive. Look at the map. The Arab countries are trapped in the middle. On one side is their neighbor, Iran. On the other side is their partner, America. In this game, the Arab world is sitting on a fire that could burn everything they own. They are forced to choose, but every choice leads to disaster. People ask, how is Iran so strong after 40 years of sanctions? The answer is simple. Iran does not fight with expensive jets. They fight with a web of proxies. Their drones are cheap, but they cause billions of dollars in damage. While America and Israel spend millions of dollars to shoot down one cheap wooden drone, Iran is winning. They are making the world tired. They are making the world poor. And look at the reality of 2026. Today, Muslim countries are shooting down Muslim drones to protect Western bases. This is not a holy war. This is a war of interests. But in this big game of chess, we forgot one thing. The targets are not just military bases. The targets are schools. The targets are hospitals. In the latest strikes, schools for young girls were destroyed. The leaders say terrorists were hiding there. But ask yourself, was a 7-year-old girl with a book in her hand a threat to the world? Is this the price of peace? Is it self-defense when a child's school is turned into a "for the presidents"? This war is a success. For America, it is a business deal. But for the mothers who lost their children tonight, it is the end of the world. So, I ask you, is the price of oil worth the life of a child? Who loses more in this war? The politicians who get more power? Or the father who has to bury his own daughter tonight? Tell us in the comments if you still have a heart.